Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your windscreen wiper blades of your Smart Fortwo. We're going to the back side of the car. We remove the key from the ignition lock, for example. We fold the wiper arms away from the rear window until it engages. Good job. Then we turn the wiper blade into the direction to the rear window until it is released from the retainer in the wiper arm itself. We remove the wiper blade, job's done. To attach a new one, we push the new wiper blade onto the wiper arm until we feel it engage. We turn the wiper blade parallel to the wiper arm and we make sure that the wiper blade is seated correctly. We fold the wiper arm back onto the rear window and it is locked. And the job is done, and we are replaced the windscreen wiper blades. Really cool. As you can see, easy going, baby. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.